be derived by the relationship between Newton's law of universal gravitation and uniform circular motion. So yeah, just keep that one in mind. Yep, so onto electrostatics. This is a very important formula to know. This one will be provided to you, and Coulomb's constant will be provided as well. You have to remember that point charges will be attractive if the charges have opposite signs and repulsive if the charges have the same sign. I'll let you pause and take notes there, but I'm going to move on. That is the charge of an electron. Says to calculate the magnitude of electric force between two electrons placed 1 millimeter apart. And I'm just thinking, did I even... Wait. I think we're going to move on from this question because we don't have a lot of time. But we'll do... I think it was this question instead. Yeah. Alright, to calculate this one, calculate the electric field strength at 2 centimeters from a charge of 2.5 coulombs. So we got the work from A to B is equal to the electric point charge of A minus the electric point charge of B. Is this the question that we're going on? Oh, sorry. Where did it go? Oh, this is the question that I prepped for. Okay, so I just missed 2 questions completely. Alrighty. Well, I'll just give a quick rundown of how these questions are meant to be done. Ignore that for now. Quite literally, just make sure you have the charge of an electron. Because you'll need it for Q here and Q here, because those are the charges. For the 2 electrons, they give you the constant, and the radial distance is 1 millimeter. So just make sure for the radius here, you convert it into meters. That's all there is for that one. Yeah, so ignore that math there. Make sure that you put in 2 centimeters here, but make sure it's in meters. And this is 2.5 coulombs. This is the formula that you'll be using, because you're only talking about 1 point charge. So this is where you have that information from here. And then this is a bit of a challenge question. So I should have started with this one. There's only a little bit of working, but I'll just talk through it really quickly. Long story short, you need the negative of your work, so you're going to end up with -5 by 10 to the -5. And then you need that value, and you need to divide it by the charge that they give you, and then that should give you your answer. Sorry, I don't have time to write it out. But yeah, so to solve A, it's just the negative of your work. To solve B, you have to take that negative of the work and divide it by that charge.